Okay guys, it's Colby from Tacoma Lifestyle. Last week we got to go down to Southern Utah and test this all new ReadyLift Tacoma lift kit. Before we get into what we did down in Southern Utah, let's take a look at the details of the suspension. Okay, so this is a very detailed suspension. So I'm gonna take it off straight off our website, the exact specs. So this is a 3-inch in the front, 2-inch rear coil spring. It allows for the 35, 12.5, 17 size wheel. But I actually opted for a 37 with a little more trimming, but it will fit a 35, 12.5, 17 with a lot less trimming. It comes with a brand new tubular upper control arm with the market best heavy duty high angle proprietary ball joints from ReadyLift. And then in the front we have the 2.1 mono tube, vehicle specific performance tuned for the Tacoma. So it runs very well. And then in the rear we have the Falcon 2.1 with the 3-position adjustable. So it has a daily, a sport, and a work adjustable. So there's a soft, medium, and heavy load. We actually got to, when we were down in Southern Utah, use all 3 different levels. So yeah, there's a soft, medium, and heavy. And we'll show you later in the video kind of the differences and what we used each for. And then on the front, there is a Falcon 2.1 mono tube with all 4-corner dampeners. That is a high-level suspension as well. Not the adjustable up front, perfectly tuned for the Tacoma. So I daily drive this truck and the suspension has killed it for that. It's a great daily driving suspension. But this last week we were able to go down to that Southern Utah trip and really test the capabilities of it, and it's done great off-road as well. So that's what this suspension can do on paper. Let's rewind to Southern Utah last week and see what it can do on the trails.
Qué rico.
Okay, so this is extreme, but it's able to show you a little more the suspension. And so this would be full droop on the suspension. This wheel's not even on the ground. And if you come look, we'll show you, but this is how you would swap to different stiffness. It's just a simple dial. It's a little harder to see when you're driving, but it's super easy to reach. But now you can see exactly what's being swapped. So those different adjustments, they're super easy to make. It makes this suspension great for daily driving, but also can do things like this and have no issue at all getting around and being able to off-road as well. So it's been a really great suspension. We've been able to test it here and I'm super happy with it. I think it's an awesome option for the daily driver and the weekend off-roader as well.
Look on your face. I might give you what you need. I might give you what you need.
Okay, so yesterday we went and I got to actually like really run the suspension. We did a cool roller shot, which we'll show. I was probably going 60 off-road, and it's not like terribly bumpy, but it's a good little like desert stretch, and I was really impressed with this ReadyLift. It ate the bumps really well. It drove incredibly smooth, stayed track, and we run it a couple times and it actually did really well. And you can see in the video, it eats a lot of the bumps. And so I had it on like a 2, which is the medium, for when we went back into town and everything. I put it back to the 1, which is the softest. And yeah, it was the smoothest it could go and it did really well. Overall, super impressed with the lift. It flexes out well when we're off-roading, but also can run really fast on that smooth setting and eat really everything you run over. So it's been pretty good and I'm really happy with it. Okay, so we have pretty much fully put this suspension to the test on this trip. We were able to run it at really high speeds, see how the suspension worked there, and also do a little bit of like low speed crawling type stuff. And then honestly just driving on like 4 service roads on a normal washboard road, and it did great on all 3 different terrains. So honestly, I'm in love with it. I think it's a great lift. It's a good daily driver as well as good to get us out here and go camping in, and a good all-around lift for your everyday Tacoma user. This kit is currently available on our website. It'll be linked in the description as well. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you next time.